I'm Lele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do speculous cookies. It's a cookie that it's a little bit spicy because of the spices that we've put inside, but they're not that spicy that your children cannot eat. And viewers, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. And our ingredients are, we have our flour 350 grams, we have our margarine 250 grams, we have our brown sugar, the normal sugar, 250 grams, we have our ground clove 3 grams, cinnamon 3 grams, 5 grams of salt, and 2 eggs. We'll start with our creaming method. Then we put our sugar, then cream it. Then meanwhile, we'll mix our cinnamon powder, 3 grams, our ground clove, 3 grams, and our 5 grams of salt. I've used the sea salt. Then mix them together in our flour. This is the reason it is called the speculous cookies. It has those spices inside. In other terms, you can call it spicy cookies. Still okay. Yeah. It has already packed now. We reduce the speed. Not really. Then we put our eggs. Then we lower the speed and we start putting our flour mix. Our mix is ready. Stop the machine. We mix manually to incorporate everything together. Then we transfer our mix to this bowl. We transfer all of our mix here. Then I will cover it and put it in the fridge again also for 1 hour. Our dough has been resting for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now what I did, I tried to take a knife and tried to split it. You can see how I was trying to remove it so that when I'll be forming my balls, they are going to be formable. Yeah, but it's very nice. Our speculous cookie, it's a very nice mix. Now we'll roll it in balls. Now I'll be rolling this weight of the dough. My cookies are ready now to be baked. I'll bake them at 200 degrees Celsius, and this time around I'm using the convectional oven. I have introduced some air in my oven, so it's going to make the air circulate and evenly so that they bake evenly. Viewers, you can see our end product. This is how our speculous cookie, in other words, you can call them spicy cookies. It's also very nice. They are very nice cookies that you can do occasionally. Very nice, like when it's Christmas or any other event. They're very, very nice. Please try them and let me know in the comment section if you like them. And also, if there is any other cookie that you'd like me to try, please just say it in the comment section, and I'll be so happy to get back to you. Viewers, remember to subscribe, share, like to my YouTube channel. And also remember to click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye!